power yet upon thy beauty. Thou art not conquered. Beauty's in sin, yet is crimson in thy lips and in thy cheeks. Death's pale flag is not advanced there. Herald, liest thou there in thy bloody sheath? What more favor can I do to thee than with that hand that cut thy youth in twain to sunder his? That was thine enemy? Forgive me, cousin. Ah, dear Juliette. Why art thou yet so fair? Shall I believe that unsubstantial things, and that the lean arbor keeps thee here and doth to be his paramour? For fear of that, I still will stay with thee. Never from this palace of dim night depart again. Here will I remain, with worms that are thy chambermaids. Eyes, look your last. Arms, take your last embrace. And the lips, oh you, the doors of breath, seal with a righteous kiss, a dateless bargain to engrossing death. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo. Here's to my love. Does with a kiss I die. Who's there? A prince, and one that knows thee well. Balthazar, how long hast thou been here? Full half hour. Go with me to the vault. I dare not, sir. My master knows not that I am gone him. Stay then, I will go alone. Fear comes upon me. I fear some ill unlucky thing. Romeo? Oh, what an unkind honor is guilty of this lamentable chance. Oh. Oh, comfortable fire. Where is my lord? I do remember well where I should be, and there I am. Where is my Romeo? I hear some noise. Oh, where is my Romeo? Oh, lady, come from this nest of death, contagion, and unnatural sleep. A greater power than we can contradict hath thwarted our flank. Come along, the watch is coming. Where is my Romeo? Oh my. Come, good Juliette. No, I dare no longer stay. No, I dare no longer stay. Juliette! I dare no longer stay. I dare no longer stay. What's here? Poison, I see, hath been his kindness end. Go, go, go. Oh, sure. Drunk all, and left no friendly hope to help me after. I will kiss thy lips, happily some poison, get out in on them, to make me die with a restorative. Mama, thy lips are warm. Oh, no, no. Catch him out the churchyard. Go, some of you. Yay, no. No. And I'll be brief. Oh, happy dada. This is thy sheath. No. And I'll be brief. Oh, happy dada. This is thy sheath. Bear it and let me die.
Make haste, Pikachu. Make haste.